have a nice DIY. Haha. Because it's spelled almost like they. I love that you get rewarded for doing stuff. I love this. It's so important that games make this, actually, in my opinion. Oh no! Yoink. Or it's a moth. And I had a ball doing it. What? Some jokes are like for the English speaking people. Oh, you have a soda in your hand? Cute. Are these developed by Japanese or Asian? Since he kind of bowed in, excused us. Oh, that's so polite. Can we just start with that? Oh, yes. Okay, so the museum is gonna move to us. Nice. I'm excited. Oh, that's so cozy. Yes. And it's a freaking owl on the tent. Nice. Yeah. Patience, young Padawan. We got a big one. The most metal of all fish. Ah, that joke I liked. Is that what they do? This is it's nice that they wave goodbye. Welcome to a spontaneous stream. Yeah, we just figured out that you could play together with like the same controls. So we fixed that, and yeah, and Daniel has just created his character, and we are just doing the beginning stuff right now. Then also I found a wisp, so I'm collecting his souls or whatever, and now you've just one left. So that's what has been happening, and I learned 2 new recipes while off camera. So yeah, you wanted to say something?
This is very difficult.
What is difficult? To aim and place stuff where you want it?
Decorating your house.
Yeah.
Whatever.
But you don't have a house yet. Well, you have a tent.
Well, it's my house, okay.
So don't mind my mess, please. Jesus Christ. You don't have the full controller. No.
What are you doing?
Awkward. No. Not again. There we go. It's a little bitterly.
Nice fish you have there.
Oh, monkey, don't laugh.
Oh, George.
Yes, I have a house now. It's neat.
Have a house.
Came today. And tomorrow the museum is gonna open up. You can't go in there, I'm the leader. I have not had the time to put everything in. You see, it's still in the space of the tent.
Goodbye.
Daniel.
I'm sleeping. Let me sleep.
Yeah, as you might see, Daniel ate 10 freaking fruits. So I'm not gonna let him use his axe on anything.
I ate peaches.
You will break stuff. Why did he eat 10 butt fruits? Yeah, don't ask me.
I mean, I just had to do it.
Oh.
I saw there was I ate one, and then it was like 1 out of 10, so I knew I had to eat more butt fruits, and I did. But now I don't know what to do with my life.
Let's see if you do the noob mistake here.
No.
Interact with fire, please.
I'm not going to begin.
Oh god. Why am I the only one?
Oh god. No, not this tent. It's a pond smell. Whoever smelled it dealt it.
So bad jokes. I don't have.
Oh!
I don't have many stones.
Get it.
Why do I cough every time I see something? Exactly. Jesus Christ.
Get it. Oh no, it's coming back over.
Come back here.
Oh no. Well, this is awkward.
Oh, got him. Heck yeah. Oh. But I even can break. Oh,
your
awkward.
fancy net is broken.
Awkward.
Should have made another one.
I'm gonna teleport you.
No. do it. Chase you. No. No. No.
Okay, where's the wisp now?
No.
No, sorry.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to run fast. Daniel.
No. Oh, you stole the ladder.
That looked so mean.